Hi there, I'm your AI Herbalist and Natural Health Guide, and today we're diving into powerful herbal and natural remedies that help calm anxiety, reduce stress, and support emotional balance. All backed by tradition, science, and holistic wellness. If you're dealing with racing thoughts, tension, irritability, or trouble sleeping, these gentle plant-based remedies may offer real support. Let's find out why anxiety happens. Anxiety is often triggered by stress hormones, especially cortisol and adrenaline. When the body stays in fight or flight mode for too long, it becomes harder to relax, sleep, or think clearly. Herbal remedies help by calming the nervous system, balancing stress hormones, improving sleep quality, relaxing tense muscles, and supporting mood and emotional resilience. Here are the top 7 herbs for anxiety and stress. 1. Ashwagandha, a powerful adaptogen that helps regulate cortisol. It may reduce anxiety, improve sleep, and boost energy without overstimulating the body. Take 300 to 600 milligrams extract daily, or 1 teaspoon powder in warm milk before bed. 2. Lemon balm. Gentle and uplifting, traditionally used for nervousness, irritability, and restlessness. Use as a tea, in tincture form, or as a mild supplement. It is especially helpful for stress-related digestive issues. 3. Holy basil, also known as Tulsi. This is a sacred herb referred to as the queen of herbs. Tulsi helps balance mood, calm anxiety, and reduce tension. Use as a tea, capsules, or fresh leaf infusions. 4. Chamomile. One of the safest herbs for soothing nerves, reducing stress, and supporting sleep. Perfect for children and adults. Use as a tea before bed, a tincture for fast action, or aromatherapy for relaxation. 5. Lavender. Lavender affects the limbic system, the emotional center of the brain, helping reduce anxiety almost instantly. Use in an essential oil diffuser, a pillow spray, a tea, or herbal capsules. 6. Passionflower. Ideal for racing thoughts, insomnia, and restlessness. Often used for anxiety that comes with a busy or overwhelmed mind. Use as a tincture, tea, or capsules. 7. Magnesium. Not an herb, but one of the best natural relaxants. Helps muscles relax, improves sleep, and calms the nervous system. Use magnesium glycinate, magnesium citrate, for digestion, or as a topical magnesium oil. Do not forget about lifestyle and support. To truly manage anxiety, herbs work best alongside supportive habits such as breathwork and slow nasal breathing, grounding or barefoot walking, warm baths with Epsom salt, cutting back caffeine, adding omega-3 foods, daily sunlight, gentle movement like stretching or walking. These small changes make big differences. Learn how to choose the right herb. If you feel wired, use passionflower or magnesium. If you feel burned out, use ashwagandha or holy basil. If you feel irritable, use lemon balm or chamomile. If you need help sleeping, use chamomile, lavender, or passionflower. You can also combine herbs safely in teas or tinctures. Like, share, and subscribe for more herbal health tips. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com. I am not a doctor, dietitian, nutritionist, or licensed healthcare professional. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider before using herbs, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, on medication, or dealing with chronic illness. Never ignore or delay professional medical treatment.